Our project here in Western Pennsylvania is called the Industrial Heartland Trails Coalition. Now that encompasses 50 counties in Western Pennsylvania, Eastern Ohio, Northern West Virginia, and New York State. We are trying to connect up 7 major destination corridors into one large network. So you'll be able to ride from Pittsburgh to Cleveland, Cleveland to Erie, Erie back to Pittsburgh, and some other destinations in other directions as well when the whole project is completed. We're looking at about 1,500 miles, and we have a goal of having this completed by 2033. One of the great things about this area is we're basically connecting the historic railroad network back together. And that network often traveled along waterways and deep canyons. So even though we're in one of the most populated regions of the country, you still can very easily get out into the middle of nowhere and feel like you're very remote and in these sheltered areas. Many people grew up and you weren't allowed to go near the train tracks, and then when the trains went away, those became the places where bad things happened in small towns. Now we're getting those communities to turn back towards those things, celebrate these corridors that are coming through town as something that's going to help the community survive. These are the kinds of landscapes that you talk about economies. You can't move this economy, the economy can only come to you. So how do we make that happen? There's over 117 different groups involved in this in various capacities, and all of them have different reasons to be involved in it. And in many ways, we would be able to build the trails and it still wouldn't be a success without those groups being involved in achieving their goals. So by building off each other's strengths, helping them bring to the table any opportunities that they have, building upon those, amplifying those is the way that this is going to be a success and the way that it's going to get done. In many ways, until these trail projects, and the trails as themselves could exist in a vacuum, but they're not going to be successes until we have the impacts on the communities. The community people see them as an asset. They're using them for walking their dog, or their way to get out into nature, or their way to get to their job. All of those things are actually what will make this a success.